I go visit secret beach. It's zero people. I go explore. Good for quiet. It is really beautiful views. I'm near White Beach, and I go still around. Wow, it's really beautiful. I like exploring in motorbike and driving around to look. Really nice. Hello my followers. Don't lying in bed, bored and waiting for dying. Let's go exploring Mindoro Island. It's near from Manila and you can borrow motorbike. It's around 6,000 peso per month. And rent house around 15,000 peso. And you can explore a really beautiful here views, place, swimming. Look, I can hear climbing. Papaya. It's really beautiful here. I like more papaya here, and that one is the steps, and I go explore that one. I hope it's maybe beautiful place, and it's safe. I go alone. See you later, and don't forget subscribe following me. Bye bye. Oi, more steps go down. Look. I hope no snake here. I bring beer. Maybe drinking that one in beach. Oh, it's really beautiful here beach. It's empty. I see maybe two people down one. I hope no have doggy here, no eating me. Wow, beautiful flower. Wow, maybe my mom look like. Wow, it's so beautiful. Hello, hi. Hello, bro. Oi. It's really beautiful. Oh, doggy, oh my god. No eating me. I hope not eating me. Doggy, doggy, doggy. Hi, la la. Hi, doggy. No eating, please. Yeah, no eating. Okay. Hello. Wow, so beautiful here. I bring camera, is okay?
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah, wow.
I'm the most beautiful than beach.
Yeah, it's clean water or no clean water?
It's clean.
Yeah.
A blue sky, blue.
I'm amateur. I try recording video.
Hi. You're trying recording me, huh?
You want please?
Hi.
Oh, nice. Here is really beautiful. Hello, people. Oh, I bring only one beer.
Oh, it's okay.
And maybe you taste. It's Germany, from Germany in Dali store, and it's yummy.
Oh,
Yeah, it's only 65 peso. Better like Filipino beer. It's better quality. You taste. It's really nice.
How about you? You don't have drink.
I cut here gallstones
Why?
because I have more here
Maybe you're too
stones.
much drinking.
No. It's gallstone as inside and remove me gallstones. Check out my gallstones here. Yeah.
Why?
Because inside is stones, more stones inside. And when I
When
eating,
you eat the stone?
when I no inside it's creating inside stones. I have video photo. I can see you if you want. Yeah, my go too, but now is better everything. Wow, it's so beautiful here. I'm loving this place. No volleyball. Oh my god, it's really nice. Oh. Zero people. little secret beach. It's near from White Beach. Maybe 5 minutes in motorbike from White Beach. Only go straight, and I might be sharing map where is this place. What is your name, please?
Sure, Nika.
Nika. Wow,
Yeah.
Nika. Okay, okay.
You don't remember my name?
I
huh?
only 4 people here.
No, they have 2 people there.
Yeah, it's now renting.
Hmm?
Renting here 2 people.
No,
Or?
it's work here.
Ah, working. It's
Yeah.
good work. Lying in bed. Everyone working too. Yeah. How much renting here?
2,500 per night.
Yeah.
That
It is really
this
beautiful.
is other nut that is not
Yeah.
belong here. It's different.
Yeah, it's really nice. It's empty. It's really nice. I want to go visit the Talifan Falls waterfall.
Ah,
Yeah. Okay.
yesterday have a many guests here.
Many guests
Yeah, yesterday they sleep for
because it's Christmas time and all people vacation.
No, it's only yesterday.
Ah.
One night here.
Okay. And people can finding in Google Maps still or no?
I don't know. Maybe many people know there. I don't
Oi.
know. It's
Yeah.
I don't know if
Because many people looking Google Maps and
yeah
in
sometimes
hotel.
sometimes the other people looking some in Google app and
Yeah.
sometimes they have noticed resort.
Very beautiful here, really.
Yeah, it's the name is Wild Trick, but the place
Wild
is
Trick?
Yeah, the name is Wild.
Wild.
Wild, but
Okay.
the people is very quiet.
Yeah, it's good here. Welcome to from beautiful place in Mindoro Island, 5 hours from Manila. Look. Zero people, maybe 4 people here, nothing swimming. Here is shadow, very beautiful. And I thinking there in stone is more a fish. And maybe turtle, Yeah. Alone in beach, look. Peppa. It's me. Empty, beautiful beach. I recommending go here, very beautiful. Are you finding fishing equipment here? And here tell me, I tell asking it's I can fishing a crocodile and here crocodile no exist.
They have
I-
shark here. They have
Shark?
crocodile. Yes.
Okay, I go fishing shark.
Okay, you find the crocodile.
Yeah, you are crocodile. Oh my god, I go fishing, so crazy. Look, I go fishing. So nice, it's my dream. Fishing. What am fishing? Not lucky today, next time maybe I'm more lucky. Meh! Kozak, meh! Migo, it's so funny. Beautiful views in Mindoro Island. Look, I'm happy exploring here everything. Let's go visit the waterfall. Oh, I want gasoline, please. I have only here 200 maximum. Oh, yeah, it's here. Only 200 peso. I check my wallet. Yeah, I have to. Maybe 250. It's okay. Yeah, it's okay. 250. Maybe no full. I don't know. Okay, bro, here. 250. Okay, I have 250. Yo. Thank you, bro. I go visit Talipan waterfalls. Look here. Hi, bro. Hello.
Where are you going?
Exploring. I go exploring. Yeah, always take care.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I go
Welcome to
visit.
Mangan Village, sir.
Yeah, thank you. I go visit Talipan Falls.
Okay.
And my name,
Yeah. This
my
is
God.
your name, then your
age, and how much money.
no money. Just signing here.
Yeah.
Then
Oh, okay, okay. So
where did you
I am
stay
M.
here?
I am L, Malay.
Male,
Male,
aim. Just
man.
right aim.
I am M. Okay. Thank you so much. Everything. Hello. More mabuhay, boss. More beautiful gift.
You can buy.
Oh, I bring a little money here. I buy gas. Oh, good afternoon. Hello. No, I only testing. Puerto Galera is good. I go looking waterfalls and enjoying here, exploring.
If you want, you have guide.
No, I know well.
Okay.
I'm sorry, no supporting. I need alone is better.
Okay.
I hope it's safe. Go there. No, killing me something. Okay, thank you. I'm a little scared. Go there. It's a little far. What is it?
Fruit basket.
Fruit for fruits. And here is what is it? It's only grass. But it look beautiful. You have really experience good. Wow. How long time here and done? How long time you creating?
This one is 4 days.
4 days. Oh my gosh. And here, how long time here? 1 week.
2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Yes.
Oh my god, it's so beautiful, really. Who is handy, smart, good, hardworking. Okay, see you later. Thank you. Wow, hardworking. And here more. Oh, hello, mabuhay. Pineapple. I look, but
Set a poster.
yeah, it's so beautiful, but I buy gas now and I might be coming later tomorrow. Yeah, thank you so much. It is really beautiful. I want supporting, but I no bring money. Really nice people here. Start. Oh, winner. He is more strong. Hello. More people here. Oh, hungry kitty. It's never ending story. Hello. Hi, boss. Play volleyball. Oh, basket. Oh my god, play basket. Hi, boss. Where is no Michael Jordan here? You is Michael Jordan? Okay, you know Michael Jordan? Oh my god, Michael Jordan is play football or basketball? Oh, small children. It's a chicken children. Look, chicken children. Yes. Later is yummy chicken. Yeah. You like chicken? Yeah, eating good. Undogs chicken soon. Yeah. Maybe chicken visit undogs. Here it's empty, no people. Only chicken. Hi, undogs chicken. Hi. Hello. Wow. You're swimming here. I am here, almost done. This is Talipan Falls and it's really beautiful. I'm here alone, secret place. Look. Really beautiful. See you later.